This is a Lava Store limited edition product unboxing. Today, I ordered something from Lava Store. I ordered their limited edition products. I ordered all of their limited edition products, so right now they're out of stock. So today, in the season finale of Overview, I will unbox all the limited edition products and explain to you what the purpose of them and what features they have. So now, let's unbox them. So the package came in 3 boxes. So first we're gonna start with the small ones. So I'm gonna put these out of the way. So it says Lava Store small box here, and it did not say anything. But I knew these were coming, so let's unbox the first one. Oh, so there's the earbuds that Lava Store sent us, and inside there's nothing more, just foam, and that's it in the box. There's nothing else. Now we're gonna unbox the next ones first, then I'll explain all of them at once. Okay, now let's put these away first. And now we're gonna take the medium box right here and open it. Okay. Oh, so there's the sunglasses, the orange edition sunglasses inside. And nothing else. And these two. So right now we got 2 products right here. And here is the last package. Whoa. Okay, that is a lot of stuff. So I guess these are the badges. And I don't want to open it right now. I'll just open it when I explain. So where's this? So these are the items that I received from Lava Store. So first, we're gonna explain the earbuds. Actually, the package there's some text on it. And you can see that this box is clear. So now, I'm gonna open it. And it opens very well, because you just slide in and you can open it very easily. And the good thing is that they come with these silicone tips. So if your ear is bigger or smaller, you can always change these tips to make them fit for you. So these operate just like the normal earbuds, except it's from Lava Store. And I actually ordered this, from Lava Store. And this one is actually custom made by Lava Store. So I got this from the Lava Custom Pro Shop, that was announced in the May 3rd announcement. So behind there's nothing much, and it's just wraps around like this, and you can take it out if you want. I'm not gonna take it out right now. Don't need to use it right now. And note that this one is a headphone jack. So if you're using an iPhone or any other phone which does not support these headphone jacks anymore, then you'll have to buy a dongle to put this in. So that's it for the Lava Store exclusive limited edition earbuds by Lava Store Custom Pro Shop. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the second product, which I got from Lava Store. which is the glasses. So the glasses just comes in a plastic bag. It says Lava Store Sunglasses Limited Edition. So I'm gonna take this out. So his sunglasses, it has a UV 400 sticker. I'm actually gonna put this sticker back so I don't lose it. So the glasses is at Lava Store right here. Cause of course this is also made by Lava Custom Pro Shop. And on the side right here, it says Estrella TV Sacramento. And the reason why that was there is because it's partnered with Lava Store to make these glasses. So it's like a collaboration, like the Gan and Rubik's Cube, the Speed Cube. So this glasses is just like a normal glasses, except that this one's stronger and sturdier, so it won't break easily, like some other glasses, which are very bad. And also, I also want to compare this glasses to the glasses where Alex Winters wore, which I have right here. And you can see this one is by Bidwell Optometry, and because Lava Store ordered it from there. So this is the prop with Alex Winters in the Assassin series, the LSC Films short film The Assassin, and he wore these. Anyways, so now back to the glasses. Right now, we're going to test it out, and I'm going to put it on so you can see for yourself how it will look. Okay, now please put on the glasses. Yes, these are the Alex Winters glasses, and these look very cool on you. And please turn on the side. Okay, now please put on the Lava Store limited edition glasses. Okay, now please turn to the side. Okay, now also show the Sacramento side. Yes, thank you. And the back and also the front. Thank you for showing us the appearance. Apart from the assassin glasses, I also have this one, which these sides are red, and also I have this one, which you're gonna hear the sound when scratching. And also, I also have this one, which is the one where the technician wore in the Lieutenant Rampage, and it is clear. What? This is overview, not a sunglasses show. Okay. So sorry about that. I'll put back these glasses, and we'll continue to overview. Okay, so here's the last package, which everyone is waiting for. And right now, the packaging is super cool. So first, I want to unbox this side first. And I knew Lava Store was sending me a sample badge covered in bubble wrap, very protective. So this is a sample badge. Nothing special about it, just sample. So I'm gonna put this aside. Now we have the lava badge. And this one, I see it's not laminated because I told Lava Store to send me a laminated version, which over there, right here. But this one is not laminated, so it's very cool. And because this one is, these badges are all from Custom Pro Shop, so they're very cool. And so this one is a laminated version, and this one is very unique. So I'm gonna put this right here. And the donut one, this the one that I'm most interested at. So this is the Efring badge. If you didn't know, Efring partners with us with his Efring TV, so we can film survival game, and also actually it's just one survival game. So I'm surprised that Custom Pro Shop made one for them too. So it's like a thank you gift. Yeah. So that's for the third one, which is super cool. And I think there's one underneath. Yeah, there's one underneath this thing. I think this just yeah, it's just a wipe. Just to wipe your badges. I don't know why it's here. Okay, now. Right here, they sent me two, which is very kind of them. Actually, one laminated version and one unlaminated of the RPM member. RPM is the red premium membership, which you can be part of the Lava store. So these are two badges of it. So that's cool. And the last package. He sent me 3. Okay. So this time all 3 are laminated. They're just the Lava logo. And you can see that each logo is different. Each one is unique. So that proves that it is made customly. And please comment down below if you think these are cool, and comment which one is your favorite. Do it right now. Pause the video. Pause overview right now. Do it. I hope you pause the video to comment, because right now I have something interesting to show you. You can see this whole lot of stuff Lava store wasted to package my package. Packing my package, yes. So fortunately, Lava store is very, very concerned about the recycling theories. So we have decided that we will mail these packages back to Lava store so they can reuse it. So let's do that right now. Right now, we will be mailing these packages back to Lava store, and it even says, please return to Lava store, and it's the same thing right here. But for this one, it doesn't say anything. I guess this one is just a special one that they sent to me. So these are the badges that Lava store sent me, like the laminated Lava badge, same thing. The unlaminated version, the laminated RPM member badge, unlaminated version, the cool looking F-frame badge, and the sample badge. And this one is the glasses that Lava store sent me. The one with the Lava store printing on the glasses. And these are the earbuds for Lava store. So that concludes episode 5 of Overview, the season finale.